With this technique, the attacker is grabbing hold of us in the front with one hand, almost as a handed choke or handed press or hold. So we'll look at this technique first. If you notice, when he's here, the first thing we're going to do is come up on the same side that I'm being grabbed and hit his hand. And by doing so, I'm going to slide my fingers below here, and then I'm going to step back. By stepping back, I'm going to extend the arm, and I'm going to peel this hand. Now, depending on your strength and your size compared to the attacker, sometimes one hand is enough. However, if you want to give it a little more strength, as you step back, join your hand, step down, strike, then release the technique. So let's look in detail, or in slower description. When you come in here, grab hold, and as far as you can on the thumb joint, avoid just the actual thumb, but actually the joint itself. Once you're here, step and rotate at the same time to get that angle up. Now you have the wrist and even the elbow from here, and then the face is there for the strike to finish the move.